It's not about helping you to get better. It's about keeping you stuck. Okay, you guys, let's talk about something that no manifestation channel tells you about. Social media is running your subconscious on autopilot. You think you're just watching videos, you are just scrolling for fun, but in reality, you are not in control of your thoughts. You think you're just wasting your time? Guess what? It's doing way worse than just wasting your time. It's literally rewiring your brain to keep you away from manifesting the life you want. I know it sounds dramatic, but let me prove it to you. Right now you think you can choose what to watch. But in reality, every single video that pops up on your screen, every influencer, every vlog, every aesthetic video is manipulating your subconscious mind in ways you don't even realize. Do you ever catch yourself thinking that, oh, I wish I had the life she is living. Her skin is so flawless, I wish I had skin like hers, or something like that. The moment you do that, your subconscious mind is locking you into the reality that you can never have it. And before you click away, which I know that you're looking at some other video that you want to watch after this, just give me 10 minutes of your life and I will change the way you look at social media. Let me ask you something. Do you ever watch a travel vlog and you're like, wow, I want to go there one day? Or a skincare video where a girl's skin is just flawless and you can't stop commenting that, oh wow, I wish I had a skin like you. Or something like that. Or wow, you're so pretty, I can never relate. Or you see someone in a nice apartment driving a nice car, your dream car, and you're like, one day that's gonna be me. You probably think that these thoughts are harmless, right? Like that's just admiration, it's motivation. Nope, that's a trap. Every single time you think that I wish I had that, you're trapping your subconscious mind into thinking that you can never have it. You don't have it. You are conforming your subconscious that you don't have it. And your subconscious doesn't work like that. Oh, they want this thing, let's give it to them. It's not gonna work like that. Manifestation works on one rule. What I believe is true must be true, right? So when you see something and immediately you think that, oh, I wish I had that, your brain goes, noted. We do not have that life. Let's keep this person in the reality where they don't have it. They just dream of it. And if you know anything about manifestation, you know that this is a major problem. Now let's get into the psychological part of it. Because once you understand this, you will never look at any content the same way again. Here's something crazy. Your subconscious is awake 24/7, even when you're asleep. Even when you are not actively thinking about something. Your subconscious mind is absorbing everything, but it does not understand the context. So when you watch a glow up video of someone and you go like, wow, they are so pretty, I wish I could achieve that too. Your brain doesn't go like, oh wow, she admires her. No, what it hears is, okay, they are aware they don't look like that. Let's reinforce that belief. I cannot stress this enough that your subconscious doesn't care what you want. It cares about what you repeat. And this is where social media becomes a literal prison for your mind. Think about it. You see a nice aesthetic morning routine video. You go, I need to be more productive like them. You start watching more videos about such routines. The more you watch, the more you think you're not doing enough. That feeling makes you consume more content like that to fix yourself. And then you are stuck in the infinite cycle of self-comparison. And then what you do is you do not follow that morning routine or whatever, you just compare yourself to them without even putting the hard work. And then you go to the subliminal channels. I have more to talk about it, so I'll talk about it in the next video because I have planned a separate video for this. Let's stick to the topic. Social media is designed to keep you in that loop. When you feel like you are already enough, you stop consuming. And when you stop consuming, companies lose money. Now here's where it gets creepy. Social media doesn't just show you what you like. It shows you what keeps you emotionally engaged the longest. And what gets people most engaged? Insecurity. The more you feel like lacking, the more you stay online. The longer you stay online, the more ads you see. The more ads you see, the more money the platform makes. So social media is literally programmed to make you feel that you need to change something about yourself constantly. It pushes you skincare videos if you're insecure about your skin. It will flood you with gym content if it senses that you are insecure about your body. It will show you luxury lifestyle videos if it notices that you want a certain kind of life. It's not about helping you to get better. It's about keeping you stuck. So now you're probably thinking that what the heck do I do about this? Don't worry, I'm not gonna tell you to delete all your social media handles or whatever. Instead, here is what you need to do. Every time you catch yourself thinking, I wish I had something that they had, just stop. Stop. Just stop. Flip it. Instead of saying, I wish I had that lifestyle, say that it's my lifestyle. I already have it. If a video, even 1% makes you feel like you're not good enough, just cut it, block it, mute it, whatever. Change your algorithms. Even with your friends or someone you just follow on social media, if it feels like they're posting too much about their life, just mute them or unfollow them. It's not that difficult. Change your algorithm for yourself. I would suggest that you should start with 1 day of not watching any social media. No TikTok, no scrolling, no YouTube, no Instagram, nothing. You will realize how much more you are in control of your thoughts than you actually are. Instead of watching someone else's perfect life, go create your own. Social media is not just distracting you, it's actually controlling you. And you don't want to be controlled by someone, especially if you are manifesting something for your life. The foundation of manifestation is to be able to control your thoughts. If you really think that you don't even watch social media like that, or you have never said anything that I said in this video while watching someone else's video, so ask yourself right now, are you actually using it just for inspiration, or is it secretly keeping you stuck? If this woke you up even a little, drop a comment and let's talk about it. We need to talk about it so that we can manifest together the dream life we all want. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.